Yes.
This is a first. And you probably know why I want this to be first.
Yeah.
November 6, 2001. So this is a 2001 Mansfield Alto toilet.
Cool.
Look, November 6, 2001. See? 2001. So this is a first. This is a 2001 Mansfield Alto toilet.
Cool.
And if you look closely, the water is moving. You're right. Look closely. The water is moving.
Cool.
Now this is a YouTube first.
Awesome.
And you want to know where the water is moving? Well, we're on a ferry boat right now. This toilet is on a ferry boat. This original flush tower, original handle, which appears to be cheaply repaired. Mansfield. Let's see. Mansfield Plumbing Products. These are original tank parts.
Awesome.
Here we go. This is cool. This is a ferry toilet. Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
This is a YouTube first. A normal tank toilet on a ferry. Because lots of ferries I've seen videos of, these are flushing toilets and vacuum toilets. But here we just have a standard toilet. Here we just have a normal toilet like in a house.
Yeah.
Nothing. I was expecting something like a vacuum toilet, but or flush mirror. I wasn't expecting a tank. I kind of didn't expect a tank. Did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, maybe I can. No, the ferry. I think the ferry wobbles too much to do that.
Yeah.
Is this on good?
Yes. That's good.
This ferry is wobbling, so that's why the toilet water wobbles a bit.
Mm-hmm.